we'll guide you through how to use Claude 2.0 for all your productivity needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude 2.0 website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where you can access all of Claude's features. To start a new project, click on the New Project button, usually located at the top right of the screen. This will open a new window where you can name your project and choose a template if needed. Once your project is created, you'll be redirected to the editor. Here, you can add content, import files, or collaborate with others by sharing the project link. To add content, simply click on the Add Content button and choose from the available options like text, images, or videos. If you want to collaborate, you can click the Share button and invite others by entering their email addresses. Claude 2.0 also offers a real-time editing feature, so any changes made by collaborators are instantly visible. If you need to switch projects, click on the Projects tab in the top menu to view and manage all your projects. To customize your experience, head over to the settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust preferences like notifications, themes, and integrations with other apps. Remember, Claude 2.0 is designed to make your workflow seamless, so feel free to explore and make the most of its features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.